Hello, everyone. Michael Vandergrift, MCB Realty, Keller Williams, coming to you today with the 3Rivers Market Report, January 24th, 2024. Market's always moving. Closings happen every day. Though the weather outside is a little bit frightful, although we cleared up a little today, it's warming up, just a little rainy and gloomy. Market's still on fire. Active available homes are down 1% week over week, still showing that strong buyer demand, up 40% year over year. New listings are up 3% week over week, up 70% year over year. Solds are up 24% week over week, up 13% year over year. Pendings are down 15% week over week, down just under 1% year over year. Median sale price came in at $246,200, which is up 26% versus last year at this time. Days on market were showing a little slow on the average, but the median was about the same as last year. 31 average days on market, 14 median, versus last year at this time we were 19 and 15. Homes sold over the last 12 months came in at 4,258 versus last year at this time 5,052, showing we're only down 15.7% versus last year, which is the lowest it's been in a while. Remember, we peaked at negative 18% last year. And that is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.